Want to disable Reels on your Facebook app? Watch this. First, hide a specific reel. Open the Facebook app on your phone. You can scroll through your feed or tap on the Reels tab in the bottom. On the reel video, tap on the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the reel. From the Options menu, tap Hide Reel. The reel will immediately disappear, and Facebook will show fewer similar reels in the future. Second, remove the Reels tab from Facebook. In the Facebook app, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, tap on the Settings icon. Scroll down just a bit, and tap on Tab Bar. Inside Tab Bar Settings, tap on Customize the bar. Find the Reels option in the list. Change the setting from Auto or Pin to Hide. Now the Reels tab will be removed from the Facebook navigation bar. And that's it.